Hey guys, today we'll see how to enable out of office using Outlook application and Teams. So many of the people don't know how to enable out of office and automatic replies turned on so that it affects some communication gap between the clients and the people. So the major reason why I created is to make people aware like how to enable out of office. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And firstly open Outlook application here, and you can see the calendar is empty and there is no out of office enabled here. Firstly go to the file option here, and then you can see automatic replies, which is highlighted here, you can see. So click on automatic replies, and by default it is in disabled state, do not send automatic replies. So we need to enable it first by clicking on send automatic replies here, and we can type whatever content you want and whatever message you want to deliver to the person who send you a mail. And if you want to send automatic replies more than one day, we need to check this on option, and we need to set the date here. So 5th to 9th, and the time is 8:30 to 8:30. These mails will be sent to whomever you are getting the mail from. So here we can also create rules. So for that, click on rules and click on add rule. So from is a tab which specifies that from whom you are receiving the mail. So let's say from manager I got the mail, and with so and so subject and message body, it's so and so message body, and just we have different options, alert, delete, and I'm just clicking on delete. Don't do that. So whenever you get a message from manager, it will directly delete the mail. So I just deleted the rule as well. Click on OK, and just click on OK here as well. So you can see that automatic replies are turned on, and you can see something highlighted there, so which means that automatic replies are turned on. You can also see here that there is a pop-up saying that automatic replies are being sent for this account, so which means that the message which we set, let's click on the message here. So this is a message we are sending to our email senders. So this message will be sent in reply to the mail you got. So click on OK, and now we'll see whether this out of office enabled in Teams or not. Just opening Teams. So this is Teams app, and go to profile section, and you can see available and out of office. So I'm just resetting the status to just verify that out of office is enabled properly, and you can see available and out of office. So available, why it is showing available is because we are actively working on Teams. So we just need to click on appear offline, then you can properly see out of office, and just below that you can see out of office message also. So out of office is enabled using Outlook here. So we'll see how to enable out of office using Outlook web and Teams. So for that, first open Outlook web. So some people don't have Outlook application as a security reason, so they can directly access it from Outlook website. So for that I will navigate through the process. So first click on settings and go to view all Outlook settings, and then you can see on the left side the mail icon here, and then you can see automatic replies here, and the same procedure we need to turn on the automatic replies here, which is disabled by default. And here you can type your message whatever you want. Let's say type hi, thanks for messaging me, I'm on leave, will return next week. Yeah, I set some message here, and you can click on send replies only during time period. As I said, if you want to send it for more than 1 or 2 days, we need to enable this. And you have options, block my calendar for this period, So you can block your calendar and automatically decline new invitations, and you can decline and cancel any meetings during this period. We have these three options. You can enable anyone and click on save. So now we'll see whether it is enabled out of office in the Teams or not. For that, let me open Teams. Yeah, so you can see it is already enabled out of office here. So let me just refresh the status. So reset my status. It is showing available and out of office. As I said earlier, we are actively working on Teams, so it is showing that. So just click on appear offline. So you can see out of office, and you can also see the message as hi, thanks for messaging me, I'm on leave, will return next week. So this is the way how we just enable the out of office. Not much complicated, but a lengthy video, I know. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and if you like, please don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.